You hungry? Let's make a snack. Into a bowl, I'm going to add the following. Some chopped artichokes, and then this is frozen spinach that I've squeezed all the water out of. I got me a little piece of cream cheese, and I got this cheese blend. It was on sale, so that's what I'm using. Now I do want to season this with a little piece of salt, and I got me a little piece of black pepper, or a little taint of garlic powder goes in there. Not the new bay, but the old bay. Let you a little sprinkle. I see your comments. Italian seasoning or herbs de Provence. The shits are literally the same thing. I almost forgot. Put a little crab meat in there too. Shrimp, clean, peeled, deveined. I'm gonna add some of this filling right to my shrimp. Before we bake these, there's just one thing left to do. Into a bowl, breadcrumbs, a little piece of Old Bay, a little bit of butter. Give it a mix. Put you a little piece of this on every piece of shrimp. Just like this. 400 degrees, put this in the oven. It ain't gonna take but a second. You know how I know? Because I gotta edit this video. A little squeeze of lemon. Now all you gotta do is bow your head and say grace. Grace.